Hey everyone, welcome to One Click Nexus. Today I'm showing you how to create a SoundCloud account step by step. First, open the SoundCloud app on your device. You'll see the option to create an account right on the main screen. Tap on Create Account and then click Continue. Now, you have multiple sign-up options here. You can create your SoundCloud account using Google, Facebook, or Apple. You can also manually enter your email and password if you prefer. For this tutorial, I'm using Google Sign-In since it's the fastest method. Select your Google account and tap Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your age and select your gender from the drop-down menu. Fill in these required fields, then enter your display name. This is how other users will see you on SoundCloud. Click Continue and wait a few seconds while your account is being set up. And that's it. Your SoundCloud account is now created successfully. You'll see a prompt to enable notifications. You can turn this on now or select maybe later. You're now ready to start streaming music, uploading tracks, and discovering new artists on SoundCloud. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to One Click Nexus for more how-to guides.